Hey guys, 2006 Colorado here. I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer fluid pump. Um, so it's back there in the passenger side near the firewall. I'm basically gonna take the tank out so I can show you guys a little bit better, because you want to try to do it with it inside the vehicle. Um, First thing I need to do is remove this air box here. Just take out the connector, pull the hose back. It's held in by three 13 millimeters, in case you want to do it exactly how I'm gonna do it. So it's one nut down here, two bolts that remain in place. I'll take it out. Then here you're gonna have an actual reservoir. You're gonna have one 10 millimeter here, one 13 millimeter down here, and another 10 here. Just also another reason why I removed the air box to take it out. Go ahead and take out the final one here. So take out this bolt here. So it's loose already. Just pull it out. You're gonna have a little hose here. Pull that out as well. Set that up here so we don't forget about it later. The tanks can be separated, which is what we're gonna do, so we don't lose any coolant. And it's just one 10 millimeter bolt that goes up here and one down here. So let me grab my electric ratchet here real quick. You can see the tank separated already. The bolt appears to remain there. So we're just gonna separate this. Gonna grab it, take it out of its home, and now it's good to have some kind of container to capture all the make sure you use a clean bottle so you don't get trash in the pump and whatnot. Oh, now the bolt came out. So once you have it here on the ground, just gonna pull up on it. And then you're just gonna pull straight up. And there you go. So remove the old one, the old little rubber grommet. Take out all the crusties as best as you can. So installation, push in the grommet. Slide it in. And then click it into place and you're good to go. You're ready to put it back in. You can also give this a shot in the car. So the procedure is just gonna pull out on this tab and then just pull it out, replace, and you should be good to go. It's a little bit tight access in the corner, but if you have pliers and stuff like that, you could probably get away with it. But I just wanted to show an in-depth video of the process. So installation, just gonna connect the hose, connect the connector, electrical connector, line up the two tanks. This is gonna be 10 millimeter to tighten. So don't have to go He-Man. It's a little bit tight. Just gonna position it where it goes here. Holes are lining up. Okay, so 10 millimeter here. $10mm here. $13mm at the bottom. Let's see if I can get it while on camera here. Tighten up the 13mm. Yep. That's how you know it's an authentic video. Okay, let's put back the air box. So the air box, you have to put the long tube in there. Now it won't line up correctly, and these hoses have to go through here, and then it pretty much falls into place. And then just snug up the 13mm bolts. Once again, one there, and one nut there. And we're gonna test it here shortly. So here's a nice little trick to show you guys. If you're having issues putting in the nut So it goes down in a hole, but sometimes it falls off, see? So if you can see, it doesn't hold it. So a nice little trick is to just take a piece of cardboard, put it on the nut. Problem solved. You tighten it up and then just pull out the socket and the paper goes away. Once everything is snugged up, double check, make sure you plugged in everything, and then fill up your reservoir. Final thing to do, confirm the repair. So you can see it's working. Thank you, have fun wrenching.